Hello everyone, this is Travis with Full Spectrum Laser. I have a new Muse Galvo laser here behind me, but this one is unique. Stick around and I'll show you why. Aside from the cool red paint job and a sweet low profile triangle shaped control tower, there is something that makes this Galvo different from the other Galvo lasers that we offer. Instead of being a fiber laser like the others, this one uses an ultraviolet laser source. What makes an ultraviolet laser different from a fiber, or even a CO2? The 355 nanometer source in the UV laser has a spot size that can be focused down to 3 times smaller than a fiber laser, and it has a shallow absorption depth in most of the materials out there. So, in layperson's terms, this means that it can leave extremely fine and precise markings on pretty much any material. Silicone, metals, glass, molded rubber, paper, and wood, just to name a few. And there's even some materials, such as MDF, that it can actually engrave and cut. Better than a CO2 or fiber laser can, actually. On top of that, the Muse UV Galvo is ridiculously fast. It is about 3 times faster than a fiber Galvo, and it ends up being about 30 times faster than a normal CO2 laser on a gantry system. Just like everything else in the Muse series, it has the 7-inch touchscreen, which gives you easy access to all the laser controls and settings. The Retina Engrave software is hosted on the laser itself, which means you don't need to download anything on your computer, and there's no internet required. It comes standard with a 3D camera, which gives the laser the depth data that it needs and works hand in hand with the motorized autofocus. This versatility doesn't end there either. This comes with the option to swap out the focus lens to supply different focal depths. Using the right lens, you can even make subsurface marks up to 4 inches deep into a block of glass. Rotary options are available as well. 2 power options are also available for the Muse UV Galvo. It comes standard with a 3-watt source, but can also be upgraded to a 5-watt source, so you can create markings with even higher contrast and work at higher speeds on some materials. So, to sum it all up, the Muse UV Galvo is fast, versatile, and easy to use. If you need a laser that can mark on virtually anything with ease, this is your laser.